Hiccups is wild now. He said the clouds came out. I'm not hot anymore. Hopefully she heard that they already rang her bell.
What did you say?
I said hopefully she heard that they rang the bell. She's like a little bit la la land.
It looks so good though. Look much better.
Oh yeah. Nice too. Yeah, this is when we can go outside. And rounder. Good.
This one is so good.
Good tall. Good, now round. Whoa, whoa. It's okay. Good. Now round. Now round. Oh, nasty. Oh, nasty pants. Oh, nasty pants. Oh, nasty pants. Put your legs on. Good job. Good. Now look. He's such a dick. Look where you're going. It's going to be hard, the last fence going away from the in gate.
I know, yeah.
Good, now whoa hard, whoa hard, whoa hard, whoa hard. Yep. Look, 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 look. Nasty pants. Good boy.
Good boy.